Me and Nipsey, we went back and forth a little bit on Twitter. That ended with about like 3 tweets, pretty much. We got on the phone shortly after, and pretty much like men should do. You get me? If it's not for attention in either side, we came to mutual respect and mutual conversation, mutual ground. You know what I mean? And shit, it might be agree to disagree, or it might be like, yeah, I get you here, but still don't get here. But we spoke on the phone. We gonna leave it like that. You know what I mean? It's no more back and forth with the words. I gave him my word. He gave me his word. So I would like to leave that there. No, it's no threats. There's no, when I see you, I'm gonna beat you up. I mean, that sounds good though. that sounds good for the clickbait title. I ain't gonna lie. When I seen TMZ run that, I'm like, yo, TMZ, nice. Fuck it. Okay, but salute to the people who were involved in the middle of that. They reached out to me. They reached out to him, and they said, yo, let's connect y'all. Salute to Karen Civil. Karen Civil made that happen. Okay, all right. So that's that. Who else been beefing with me? Yeah, I know. Anyway, I met Adam from No Jumper yesterday for the first time. Cool dude. He tall, man. He made me look short, bro. That's another reason why I'm going on that LA diet. All these LA niggas, they fucking tall as hell. Look like they all do yoga. They all smoke like a motherfucker. And they all got some healthy fucking weird grass diet. You feel me? Fuck that. You know what I mean? So I was thinking about the benefits it could do to my fucking lifestyle, okay? I'm like, shit. Maybe I should switch to smoking instead of drinking. Shit, if I was doing yoga, I wouldn't be 5'9". Maybe I'd be 6'3". Getting all the bitches. You know what I mean? And I was like, shit. If I was eating a bunch of grass all day, I would probably not be, what's the nickname now? Chipmunk Akademiks? I wouldn't be like the little pudgy, like, I mean, like a weird way. It's not like super obese on some like Khaled shit, but it's not on some like respectable slim thick. Pause on that. That sounds wild. But it's all good. It's all good. So, I don't know. I love LA though. I love the weather. I just love walking around there. I don't know, man. West Coast hoes love vegans. Yeah, it's all about vegans. It's all about vegans. It's all about vegans. Hold on, let me load the chat that I can see what y'all talking about. We got a couple guests coming on, and by the way, oh yeah, more beef. Everybody was beefing. You feel me? Boom. Somebody find Little Boom. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to my nigga Little Boom.